Assam Education Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma announced on Tuesday that 40 new colleges would be constructed in all the 40 constituencies of Bodoland Territorial Council. Sharma made this announcement in the oath-taking ceremony of the new council of the Bodoland Territorial Region. Along with the 14 new colleges, full-fledged stadiums will also be set up in these constituencies, Sharma added. The fourth BTC was constituted on Tuesday with the swearing-in of 5 members of the BJP, UPPL, GSP combined and UPPL's Pramod Boro assuming charge as the chief executive members of the autonomous body. BJP National President JP Nadda, who is acting as the mediator between Tripura state leadership and dissident MLAs, has cancelled his scheduled visit to Tripura after testing positive for COVID-19. Nadda was to arrive on a 2-day visit to the state this month to solve the internal problems arising within the BJP Tripura unit after a few dissident MLAs demanded a change in the state leadership. It can be noted that some BJP MLAs and senior party leaders came in Delhi on October demanding a change in leadership, especially expressing their unhappiness over the present chief minister. The state government has deferred the inauguration of the entry-exit point cum facilitation center at Umlin in Riboi district to December 21 instead of the proposed inauguration on December 16. Speaking to reporters, Deputy Chief Minister Pristantin Son said that the tourists will have to provide details like their address and the place of stay, EPIC and other details about the destination and duration of the stay in the state. The proposed entry-exit point would have 3 to 4 counters and it will have a designated counter for COVID-19, one for the tourists to be manned by the tourism department, and even the Riboi district administration will have one for the registration of the people. The police department in Arunachal Pradesh is now free of COVID-19 infection, said Chief Minister Pema Khandu on Tuesday. With 883 cops who got infected with COVID-19 while attending duty during the lockdown or after the lockdown, the state police have come a long way in bringing the active cases zero. Sharing the details in his Twitter handle, Chief Minister Khandu has congratulated the state police as all the infected police personnel have successfully recovered from the deadly disease. The state has so far registered a total of 16,536 COVID-19 positive cases, including 238 active cases, and has so far claimed the life of 55 patients in the state. A fresh report was submitted before the Chief Judicial Magistrate in Fal West by Manipur Police in connection with the freezing of 36 bank accounts of Salai Holdings. But it is learned that the police reportedly failed to give details on whose authority the 36 bank accounts of Salai Holdings were frozen. CDM directed the investigating officer to submit a fresh report detailing why and whose authority the bank accounts were frozen. The investigating officer stated that different groups of companies' bank accounts under this were funded from the money collected from individuals who are investing at the ASSAM Society. The State Health and Family Welfare Department of Nagaland said it was adequately prepared to carry out the vaccination drive. Dr. Nyan Kikon, Deputy Director and spokesperson on COVID-19, said the first phase will be for the healthcare workers, followed by frontline workers. Principal Director Health and Family, Dr. Vizole Z. Sokre, also said Nagaland was fully prepared for the vaccination drive, but the department was yet to get the definite date on the arrival of vaccines. The vaccines will be provided free of cost, since the vaccine was expensive with limited production, he said. Mizoram reported 31 new cases of COVID-19 in the last 24 hours, taking the total number of cases in the state to 4,080 according to the Department of Information and Public Relations of Mizoram. As per the state government's data, the total recovered cases in the state are 3,894. The active cases of coronavirus in the state are 179, while 7 people succumbed to death due to the deadly virus. Chief Minister P.S. Gole on Tuesday laid the foundation stone of Diglin Lozin Monastery near Pakyon. The monastery is coming up at an area of 2.10 acre with an estimate cost of 2.60 crore. In his address, the Chief Minister shared about the public welfare works done by the state government during COVID pandemic. The Chief Minister pointed out that the SKM party had promised in its election manifesto to upgrade Pakyon and Soren subdivisions into new districts by 2021. Due to COVID pandemic, things got little delay, but we assure that we will officially declare Pakyon and Soren as districts in the late 2021 or 2022, he said. He also informed that a financial assistance of Rs 1 crore for the construction of the monastery will be provided by the state government.